my bike in this one. Don't know. Do women play hard to get? The answer is no. So I was watching one of AMS's videos yesterday. It was to do with feminine traits in men. Someone asked a question in one little sticky situation with a gal in it. A man's a bit confused. But the thing is, the reason why that man's confused is he's inexperienced with gal. Anyone watching this right now, if you dealt with enough girls, you would have come across this situation plenty of times, innit? You have to know how to handle it. So, do women play hard to get? The answer is no. So, in the comment section of one of AMS's videos, someone asked a question, gave a little scenario. I'm just going to break it down quickly, cut the long story short. A guy must have seen a girl that he kind of liked. I don't know if it was at the gym or at work or something. She's kind of trying to flirt with him or whatever. So one day he finally plucked up the courage to approach this girl. Pulled out his phone to take her number. She snatched the phone out of his hand and put her phone number in his phone. Cool. They're texting back and forth, I don't know, for a few days. And he decides to try and set a date. Are you free on the weekend? Silence. She went ghost on him. He said, oh, it's been like a week or 2 weeks, ain't heard nothing back from her. He wants to know how to proceed with the situation. Like, oh, you know, has he done something wrong? Is she playing games or whatever? Like, why is she not cooperating and that, innit? Let me tell you something. When a girl wants to meet up with you, when a girl likes you, girls don't play hard to get. See, certain man, they think girls play hard to get. And that's just not the case. I even went to my brethren's house the other day. And I'm chatting to him and his girl. And I said, yeah, girls will play hard to get when it comes to jumping into bed. Because a lot of men are naive. A lot of men think that women are some little princesses that are, you know, supposed to be put on a pedestal and that. And it's wrong for them to sleep with a man on a first date and that. There's a lot of men that think if a girl sleeps with a guy on a first date, she's a whore, innit, yeah? Where really and truly, yeah, she might have slept with you on a first date, but please believe, she's been out on 10 dates with man and not giving them nothing, you know? Stringing man along. Some man think, oh, because a girl jumps into bed with a guy on the first date, it means that, oh, she does it with everyone, and it's just not the case. Plenty of girls watching this right now. How many times you gone out on dates with guys knowing full well that you're not going to sleep with him? Anyway, chatting to my brethren and his girl, and I said, yeah, a girl will play hard to get when it comes to jumping into bed sometimes because she don't want the guy to think that she's a whore or a slag or whatever, innit? But if a girl wants to meet up with you, if a girl generally likes you and that, getting her out on a date is not a mission, you know. It's easy. Think about it this way. You're a guy watching this right now. All the girls that you hooked up with, 99.9% of them made it easy. It might not have been easy to jump in bed with them, but it was easy to set a date. You phone them up or text them, are you free on Saturday? If she says no, then she will say, oh, but I'm free on Sunday. How does that work for you? Oh, I'm busy Sunday, innit? What about Monday or Tuesday, innit? Yeah, Tuesday's best, innit? Boom, link up. That's how it's supposed to go. That's how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to play tennis. You set a date. The girl is not available, then she sets a counter date. She sets a counter date. If you're not available, then you keep going back and forth until you can rendezvous at an appropriate time for the both of you. Girls don't play hard to get when they like you, when they want to meet you. Better man been in this situation before. I've even been in this situation before plenty of times. Get a girl's number, texting back and forth. Cool. What days you free this week? Radio silence. Girl hit me up a couple days later. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your message, you know. All of my WhatsApp notifications are on mute. All right, cool. But then the girl continues the conversation, but doesn't address the question that he asked them. You asked them, you know, are you free this week or on the weekend, whenever, innit? Yeah? And they just continue the conversation as if they didn't even see the text. You know why girls do that? Because she don't want to meet up. Ask yourself this question. If Drake DM'd her and said to her, when are you free on the weekend? What do you think the response would have been? He would have got a response at least. About, I didn't see it. Yeah, all right, you didn't see it. Cool, give her the benefit of that, even though you know she's lying, she's chatting rubbish, innit, yeah? Cool, she didn't address the question. Girl don't want to link up. Now, why the girl don't want to link up? She might be on a break with her boyfriend or whatever, innit? Maybe she might not be that into you, but she just wants your attention, innit, yeah? But one thing that I do know is if you ask a girl out on a date and she don't get back to you, she don't want to link up. She don't want to link up. I tell you what she wants to do. She wants to sit there and be play texting buddies with you and that. So girls don't play hard to get when they're interested in you or when they want to meet up with you. If you're struggling to get a girl out on a date, that means they don't want to link up with you. End of story. The girls don't play hard to get. Like I said, all the girls that you've linked up with, they've all made it easy for you, 99.9% of them. At least to get them out on a date. If you're struggling to get a girl out on a date, that means they don't want to link up. That's why a lot of men get annoyed on them dating apps and that. Because bare girls go on it, not with the intentions to link up with no one. They're just there on a break from their boyfriend, or they need some validation, or they there to try and grow their Instagram following and that. Anyway, stay wise, done now.